I'm going to be showing you how to configure our AI mentor as an LTI component. Now, the first step here is actually creating an LTI component, and you'll see that we've already done this from the IMS global platform, where we'll be getting the parameters that we need to set up the LTI provider. Now, on the LTI provider side, if we come over here, we've also gotten this set up, and you'll see that these parameters are the exact same ones you see over here. Now, we're going to give this a title. You're going to make sure this is marked as active. This issuer is coming from the IMS global platform where we got all the parameters needed, and this also includes the client ID, the auth login URL, auth token URL, and the tool key, as well as the deployment IDs. These are the pieces that you'll need to fill it out. Anything that is not in bold is not a required field. But now, if you want to see this in action, all we need to do is go back to the IMS global platform to launch this as an LTI component. If we just go through the quick little steps here, we're just going to have to hit a couple buttons to launch the actual resource itself. And then once we hit perform launch, this will take us directly to the mentor. And here you have it. Now we can chat from the mentor from an LTI component.